Property values are affected by a number of factors, not the least of which is a high-quality school district. The school facilities reflect on a community's culture and values. On December 4th, there will be a vote on the proposed middle school reconstruction and district-wide improvements initiative. This capital project includes many important parts, such as windows. The windows in the middle school are in bad shape. These windows are past their usable life and need to be replaced. Believe it or not, these windows are clean, but because the seals are broken between the panes of glass, moisture and frost buildup make it difficult to see out of. Replacing windows is an expensive endeavor. We looked into replacing them several years ago, but haven't been able to afford it. By taking advantage of this unique financial opportunity, we can finally replace these windows as part of a capital project, which will include state aid reimbursement.